Come in. Well, look who's here. I haven't seen you in many a year.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And I want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Labor Day weekend is approaching, and to me, I don't know, I get a little saddened because to me it signifies that the summer is coming to an end. And I love the summer. It's my favorite season. I love the beach, the ocean, the warm weather. I just love the summer. Fall is nice too. Cameraman, isn't that your favorite season of the year, fall?
Sort of, because it's college football.
Oh, that's right. I should have known. The grandsons with their soccer and the cameraman with his football. But anyway, not really into sports. I watch them because I have to support the grandchildren, but summer's still my favorite time of year. Fall is very pretty, though, I have to admit. Winter, thumbs down. But anyway, we wanted to celebrate a little on Monday, on Labor Day. So we decided we're going to go over to my son's house. He has an in-the-ground pool. And we're going to get maybe one of our last dips in of our toes in the water before fall is here. So we decided we're all going to bring something over. That's the best way to do it. Everybody bring something over. Just relax, sit outside by the pool, family together, and have a good time. Right, cameraman?
Surely.
So I'm not sure what I'm bringing over yet. I don't know what dessert or side dish I'm bringing over. But one thing I am going to bring over is appetizers. And I'm going to make an appetizer today that only has 5 ingredients. It's so easy to make. You don't need an oven. You don't need a mixer. You just need your hands and 5 ingredients. So should we get ready, cameraman?
Let's do it to it.
Okay. I like that. Let's do it to it. Well, anyway, I'm getting a little slap happy. It's raining outside and, well, we're in here filming, right, cameraman?
Looks that way.
Okay, so anyway, these are called Bacon Cheese Ranch Balls, but I have renamed them. I'm calling them Bacon Cheese Ranch Lollipops. And as we go along, I'll show you how we make them. So first thing you're going to do is take a nice sized ball. Ball? Did I say ball?
Yes, you did.
A nice sized bowl, and in that bowl we're going to put 12 ounces of cream cheese. So this block of cream cheese is 8 ounces, so I'm going to put that in there, and make sure you soften your cream cheese. So let me get that in there. This is nice and soft. I took it out earlier this morning. Get in there, cream cheese. There you go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. And since we need 12 ounces, this isn't cooperating. Since we need 12 ounces, I took another block of cream cheese and I cut it in half to give me my other 4 ounces. So let me get that in. So we'll have a total of our 12 ounces of cream cheese. Now, I don't use light cream cheese. I use regular cream cheese. If you're asking me if you can use like a light cream cheese, I don't really want to say because I've never made it that way. But if you'd like to try it, feel free. You can always let me know how it came out. So with the cream cheese, I am going to add to that 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. So I was lazy and I bought the bag of it already shredded. If you want, buy a block of it and shred it yourself. So I'm going to put that in there. Move that over to the side. And the next thing I'm going to add to that, this is the secret ingredient, is 1 envelope of Hidden Valley ranch dressing. This is the original salad dressing and seasoning mix. So we're going to dump this entire envelope into the bowl. So now you're kind of getting the picture. of why we're calling this our Bacon Cheddar Ranch. You haven't seen any bacon yet, but I promise you will. So we're gonna take those 3 ingredients and we're gonna take our spatula and we're gonna blend it. Shouldn't be hard to blend because your cream cheese is nice and soft. Now I will tell you something. For those of you that are out there on keto, this is a keto recipe. At least it's 99.75% keto. And I'll tell you why later. Because you've got your cheese in it, and cheese is on keto. Your cream cheese is on keto. We just added to that the ranch dressing. So let me finish mixing this off camera, and then I'll come back when I have this all mixed, and I'll show you what we do next. As you can see, I incorporated all the ingredients. Actually, I found the best way to do it was with my hands. I washed my hands and just squish it all together like if you were making a meatloaf or something. It really is a lot easier than trying to mix it with the spatula. So as you can see, this is all mixed. I'm going to put this aside. Next thing I'm going to do is take a smaller bowl. And what I did is I cooked about maybe 1 pound of bacon. And after I cooked it all and drained it, I chopped it up, because what you're going to need is 1 cup of chopped bacon. And I found it came out to be almost a pound by this time you start chopping up all of those slices. You might have a couple left over, just eat them. So we're going to put this chopped bacon in a smaller bowl. Now, the recipe calls for a tablespoon of parsley. I'm not going to put in a full tablespoon because I have 4 grandsons who are very picky. I don't know if any of you that have kids are like that too, but you'll make a recipe and they'll look at it and they'll go, what is that green stuff on there? Oh, I don't want to eat that. Crazy. So I'm just going to put a little parsley in with this bacon. Maybe I'll put about a teaspoon in. Just mix it in with the bacon. Gotta please those grandchildren. And just mix that all together. Alrighty. Now, the next thing we want to do is we're going to take a cookie sheet. And what you want to do is take a little scooper. This happens to be a little cupcake scooper. If you have a melon bowl scooper, that works best. But what you're going to do is you're just going to take a little bit of this mixture. You don't want to make these too big. Take a little bit of this mixture, just about this much, and you're going to roll it with your clean hands into a ball. There you go. And you're going to put the ball right down on your cookie sheet. If you don't have a scooper, use your hands. You're going to wash them later anyway. And just roll them into little balls. About that size, no bigger. This recipe is supposed to yield about 30 of these. So I'm going to continue to roll these, and then as soon as I'm done, I'll be back and show you what we do next. Okay, what I did, as you can see here, and I'll put a still in the video, I finely chopped, like this, enough bacon to yield me 1 full cup. Okay? Now, after I finally chop the cooked bacon, make sure your bacon's cooked, and you have all of the little cheese balls that I rolled by hand. I actually found that sticking my hands in there, I don't know if I told you this or not, and squishing everything around like you're making a meatloaf, that really came out the best as far as making the balls. So now, what you're going to do is you're going to take one of your little balls, you're going to roll it in your bacon. Now, I told you earlier that I'm going to call these lollipops. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bit of lusciousness, and I have here some of the pretzel sticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it down like that. And I'm going to stick a pretzel stick right down in the center of it. Now, isn't that beautiful? I did one here off camera. You can see what it looks like. I'm going to put it down here. And I'm going to continue. And this is all you have to do. You take your little ball, you roll it in the bacon that has a little bit of the parsley in it. You place it down, and you put your little pretzel stick in there. Now, I did mention earlier that these were keto friendly. I didn't say they were 100% strict keto, but they are a keto friendly snack. You don't even have to put the pretzels in these. You can just make these the miniature Bacon Cheddar Ranch balls. So I think these are absolutely delicious. You're supposed to eat these right away, but you don't have to. I'm going to refrigerate mine, and then I'm going to take them over to my son's for Labor Day. So let me taste one of these. So good. These are delicious. That bacon with the cheddar, and the cream cheese in there, they're really so good. Are you gonna have one of these, cameraman?
Of course.
Alrighty. Well, to all my friends out there, if you like this video, don't forget to go down below and hit that red subscribe. I really appreciate all my subscribers. It helps my channel to grow. And I have lots more recipes. I'm going to be doing a collab with someone very special soon. And I'm also going to do a 4-part series on baking with pumpkin. So make a comment if you like. I love the thumbs up. And I never knew this till a while back that's how YouTube promotes a lot of the videos. The more thumbs up you get, the more they promote your video. So, let me take another bite of this lusciousness. So good. Oh, did you notice I have new glasses? You probably did. You probably didn't even notice. They're not black. They're sort of speckled with all different colors, but I like them. They're a little bigger than my other ones, but it was time for me to be able to see all of you a little bit better. So anyway, let me finish this. Happy Labor Day to all of you, and stay tuned for my next video. And I will see you very soon. Toodles!